Who's in there, Tom?
It's a Toy Story.
Who from Toy Story?
It's Woody.
Good boy, it's Woody.
And he's got a hat. Woody, Tom. Yep, Woody. I'm not going to burn him down.
I hope you don't burn him, Thomas.
No.
You don't want to put this one in the oven, do you, Tom?
No. I'm not going to burn him. Yeah. I'm the strongest one. Let me do it. It's not a man.
You big headache for you.
Sophia, wait, I can't do it. I'm taking the arm out. Now, Tom. Wait, Tom, you'll break it.
I'll get some scissors.
Tom.
This cardboard will
Thomas.
be good for school. Mummy's going to get some scissors.
Yeah.